Hey guys, so we are now on the plane. Say hi, baby. Say hi, Bless. And we are headed to Miami. So we're gonna be in Miami for a day, and then
we're gonna go on the boat. We're gonna go on the boat. We're gonna go on the boat.
You heard the man.
We
We're
lit.
going on the boat. We lit.
We lit. We lit.
We lit. We lit. We lit. We lit. PBG.
Avocado gang.
PBG.
Yeah, avocado gang for life.
So I'll hit you when we touch down. And we are waiting for our bags. And apparently there's 2 carousel success, which does not make no fucking sense, but whatever. Hey y'all, so we made it to our Airbnb. Ooh, look at me. I'm so excited. I'll be more excited when we get to actually finally go on the cruise tomorrow. But we are staying here in Miami because, you know, as you know, I'm from New York, so it wouldn't have made sense to fly to Miami on the day of the cruise. So we flew to Miami on the day before the cruise, and that's where we are now. We're staying in an Airbnb, and it's pretty darn big. There's other guests staying here as well. And yeah, we just got here and we're gonna just make ourselves comfortable. We're still waiting for our room to be done, and then we're gonna just change into our swimsuits and chill by the pool all day long. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Say hi, guys. Bless, say hi.
Hi. I'm gonna play with the iPad. I'm not playing with the iPad. Oh, wait, let's stay on the ground and follow him. Right here, come.
So we're in our Airbnb.
So is that like an Eastern Coast thing? Everybody say come, like you a dog.
Come here.
Not come here, but just come.
Oh no, I definitely say come. Yeah, it's the East Coast.
I guess
Coast thing.
That's weird.
I can get up.
But we're in our Airbnb, and these are the cleaning ladies,
I bet y'all
kids, and
I can even do this.
somehow, you know, we have a daycare. So yay!
Watch this, watch out.
Moby's daycare.
Watch out.
If y'all don't sit your sit down.
We got belts in my day here.
Watch out.
He's spanking kids out here.
Yep.
I'm gonna pretend like I'm playing. No, my turn. Give me the penny.
Oh my God, what is she doing to her?
You get off. You get off.
I'm just waiting for the bathroom to be finished being
Get
clean.
off! Get
I can
off
take
of me!
Bless. Stop. All right, enough. Bless, come over here.
Give me the tiny pillow.
Come, leave this pillow alone and come on this side.
My tiny pillow.
You know. You over here.
Okay.
So now, no confusion. We said y'all, we're going to the pool now. So there's a pool in the Airbnb, and we're about to go chill by the pool or whatever. I wish we had some drinks, but we don't. So yeah, get into my bathing suit. This is actually an old one. I had this for a while. It's from Forever 21. Yeah, it's cute or whatever. It's cute or whatever. But yeah.
show you another side.
Hold on, my camera's a little foggy. There we go. So I just took a nap. I'm feeling rejuvenated, hunty, and we about to go chill in a pool or whatever. And I'm gonna let you guys come with us.
You better not lose me.
You scared, Bless?
No.
You don't have to be scared. We're not gonna let you drown, boy.
You
Yeah, baby. Like that.
better.
Keep your shirt on? It's cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my shirt. I'm taking my shirt. What?
Look at my back.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Swim.
What a strip is that? Bitch, I got a money.
Yeah, Dad, I do the daddy. Swim to there. Swim to there, mommy. Go on, Dad. Swim me, come. Yeah.
Careful, it turned into 6 feet up.
Oh.
It's hella off.
This water is thank you. You.
Wow, these are full strings. Oh.
Well, guess I'm gonna have to go to the library. Oh.
Come on, baby.
Guys, look. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm about to go on that trading wheel thing. Grab my hand. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm what
Look at the camera and say hi.
Hey.
Come on, that's enough. You checking yourself out. You checking yourself out?
Oh, you like that beat, huh? Yeah.
That's most of them, bro.
Alright, let me go. Let me go. Dun, 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 dun. No! No, come under the water with me.
You gonna go under?
Wait, hold on. Ooh, ooh. Oh, Lord, this thing is cold. We having our last out here, boy. Oh, stop. Yeah, come on, Molly. You can win this. No. Who, I got water.
That's the bottom? Yeah.
Whoa.
No, I'm not. I really did.
No, not.
Hey guys, it is the morning of the cruise. This is my outfit.
Yeah, cruise night. Cruise night. Cruise night.
It is a little big, but whatever. I'm probably gonna tie it or something.
Cruise night. Cruise night.
And yeah.
Cruise night. Cruise night. Cruise night. Cruise night. Cruise night. Cruise night. Cruise night.
So you're gonna just keep blocking my view, bruh? Is that what you're telling me? That's what you're telling me? You're gonna keep blocking my view? So we're about to do a video, a girlfriend rates my outfits video. And
Yeah, we
I'm
about
excited
to
for that.
do it. And me too.
No, you're not in this one, buddy. But you're in the vlog right now.
On the
Say hi.
day. Hey guys. I
And
don't
yeah,
have no shirt.
So last night, come on. Shh. So last night, we knocked out. Like, we was OD tired. So after we got out of the pool, we ordered food, and then we went right to sleep. I kept waking up every few hours, but we pretty much slept from like 7 at night to like 7 this morning, on and off. Bless slept 12 hours straight. I cannot believe it. But anyway, so I'm super excited. We have to leave around 12:30ish because we board between 1 and 1:30, so we're gonna leave around 12:30ish. I actually wish that there was like a beauty supply store nearby because my check is kind of coming up, but we ain't gonna say.
Yeah, boy.
I just hope that it lasts. If I can't find any, I hope that it just doesn't come all the way up before it's time to go home. Because it's a 7-day cruise and I gotta be snatched all 7 days. Because it's my birthday. As you can see, I did my makeup and I'm ready. She ready or whatever. She ready. Okay, let me show you one more time now that he's gone. I really like these shoes. They're so comfortable. They're also from Fashion Nova. The shirts from Fashion Nova. These shirts are from Fashion Nova. I love me some Fashion Nova. I'm probably gonna tie it like on a side or something, you know, just to show a little bit more shape, you know. She gotta be cute. Okay. Hey guys, we are in our room. We have the balcony room on the Carnival Magic. Let's take you. When you come in and you turn left. How the fuck you turn this light on? How you turn the light on, babe?
I don't know. I couldn't figure it out either.
Let's watch out. Leave it. Let me find out the light don't work.
Like none of these buttons are working.
Okay.
Oh,
Anyway, I have to figure this out.
Lamps? Those don't go on?
Here we have some closets, life jackets. We got a lot of life jackets.
light jacket.
Yeah, we got a whole lot of lights to protect.
Some extra storage. We got a vanity with like a little chair there.
What
Here's the mirror. Then we have a sofa here with a king size bed, which I think are 2 beds just pushed together. Down here we have a fridge. We already went ahead before boarding and ordered some sodas and waters. Let me open this up. Some more
And we have
stuff down here.
And we have blessed hair.
We have blessed there. We have some more waters, a TV there. Domo right there. Then here's our balcony. Oh, it smells so good, baby. It smells like barbecue. See, there's the deck below. I'm gonna go there where the food is. I'm hungry. But yeah, this is our room. So now we're going to head upstairs where the food is and get something to eat because we're starving. And then we didn't really eat anything today because we were trying to save room. Guy's Burgers. If you've been on Carnival Cruise before, you know Guy's Burgers is where it's at, okay? So, yeah, I'll see you guys when we get upstairs.
Oh, where's the food?
We finally made it on the cruise. How do you feel?
Hungry.
Starving. Bless. How do you feel? Come here. How do you feel? I guess not good.
It don't make no sense.
Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Out here dripping in finesse. So guys, we are finally sailing away. So we'll get coming.
Today is lit! I told you, you were gonna get this far.
Who told you you couldn't even be in my camera?
You're welcome.
Do not get in my camera, okay? This is my spotlight, people. Period.
It's your spotlight, nigga. That's how I feel about your spotlight.
I got you. I got you.
You all barking no bite.
I got you.
Wouldn't bust a grape in a fruit fight.
Yes, ladies, it's your night. If you have a song